Before we had the sunshade, we had areas in winter which we couldn't use, which limited PE program and health program. And due to the fact that we have limited space in our ground, we reviewed this and we looked at putting a sunshade in. This has been beneficial radically for health and safety for the son, and also the children can go outside now in wet weather and participate in outside programs. Tennis, indoor basketball, netball can be played at all times of the year. In summer we have a HAP policy and obviously all water policy, and this is now providing a shade area for the children that during the midday that they can participate in outside activities without getting burnt. Our Board of Trustees and PTA first looked at putting a shade area over our tennis court, and we approached 3 companies. Shade Systems was the cheapest quote, and then we talked to them about it to make sure that everything was included. Working with them was no problem at all. They were efficient, kept to their timeline, communicated well if there was any problems, any issues they had. They finished on time, compliance was no trouble at all, and we found them an excellent company to deal with. Well, the biggest gain is the children, and we've already used it for assembly outside. We see this in summer being able to be used with the heat and humidity in February especially. Instead of using our hall, we can use outside. But the community are very positive about it, and they see it benefiting themselves as well as their children at school.